Today, I want to talk about some of the new makeup releases that came out. I did one of these videos earlier this week and I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed interacting with you, and honestly, since I've been watching Trend Mood, I have been seeing so many different things come out that I honestly feel like I just want to talk to you guys about it. So I'm going to be doing videos like this maybe once or twice a week on my channel, not just about makeup, maybe about activewear or just things that I want to talk about in general. That's more laid back type of style. And don't worry, I have reviews coming soon. I have Christmas content coming soon. I have lots coming. Honestly, it's just been a very busy time. And I just really wanted to sit down and talk about all of this today. So let's get into some of these because I believe I have 14 different launches since my last video that I want to talk about. Let's talk about ABH because ABH came out with some different sets and vaults. Now, what I really like about this is the fact that they didn't really come out with anything new. They're just putting their products in gift sets and vault. If I really wanted one of the palettes from ABH, now would be the time to get it because you're getting a palette and you're getting some minis, or you're getting mascara, you're getting eye primer, you're getting a few different things at once. So I really do like how ABH did this, and they've done it a few times and I really enjoy that. You know what you're getting. If you've wanted it, now's a great time to get it. And I feel like for $49, it's a great gift option because it's $49 and you're giving a really good quality palette and you're giving them some minis to try also. The next one. I'm sorry. I am so sorry, but this is just so boring. I have to say it. This one for me is just boring. I love the outside packaging of this, but the inside, not for me. This is the Huda Beauty Gold Obsessions palette. That's so far. Why is it so hard for me to talk right now? But here's the thing. This is the Gold Obsessions palette. The outside is stunning. They nailed it with the outside. As soon as I seen this palette, I wanted it because of the packaging. However, be realistic, open up the packaging. The inside palette is honestly just colors that we already have. A lot of the shades and tones are the same. It's not that though. Take that middle shade out and put in a marbled or just kind of mixed colored pan in there. You've done it before. And other brands do it where you can, even if it was like a dark purple with like a line of gold in it, or half gold, half purple, I don't know. But I just feel like the inside color-wise matches the outside, but the inside pattern-wise, it doesn't. And when you look at the outside, you go, this is going to be a stunning palette on the inside. You open it up, you go, I already have these shades. I've already seen this. This has already been done. Like honestly, when I open this, I just think it's another regular palette. So for myself personally, this is not something that I would pick up. I would just be buying it for the packaging, not for the actual eyeshadows. The next thing is from Dominique Cosmetics. I've never tried anything. I have heard good things. These are the Lip Glitz full-size lip duos. They are kits and they are $28 each. I'm not gonna lie, when I see these here, I don't feel like I need them. I feel like they have a holiday feel, but they don't at the same time. And I just don't think I need them. Like I look at them and I go, they're pretty, but I don't need it. And I also feel like for the kit to get both of them, it's a good price if maybe you wanted one and someone else would want the other. But for the bag, I don't know. I just feel like they wanted to do something holiday. They did. It's just not there for me. I would probably pick up just the clear one because I could put it over top of things. But I mean, I have lip products for that. So it just wasn't interesting for me. As soon as I seen this, I thought ColourPop or drugstore. Maybe e.l.f. But this here is Wet n Wild. It just doesn't draw me in. Like I don't look at this collection and go, I need something from here. The only thing I could think of is the brush is nice. It's catchy, it's pretty. There are two palettes in here that are kind of like, they would be nice, but I have the shades. And I don't know. It's just not for me. But for myself personally, it's just not things that I would probably want to add to my collection. And next is kind of what I think. So let's move on to the next. This one really caught my eye. And I don't know if it's packaging because it's purple and pretty. It could be, but here's the thing. This is MAC and you are getting kits for $29.99 and the retail value is $63. So again, really good gift for yourself if you like the products or wanted to try them. or it's a really good affordable gift. I love how there are 3 lipsticks. There are different shades, and I like that. They are more of that holiday type of vibe, but you could pull them out for different seasons as well. And the other one is a mascara, a sheer lipstick, and an eyeshadow. I was so impressed with this, and this would be something I would totally see myself picking up or gifting. I feel like it's affordable. I feel like I've heard so much about MAC. I would want to try it. So this here is definitely a yes. Morphe. Okay. I don't know what it is here, but I look at this and I go, what is it? Like, I am sorry. If you like this, that is great. I'm happy that you do. But oh my goodness, not for right now. Not for me anyway. I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm very, very simple and I don't like a lot going on, or I don't wear a ton of colors, so that could be why. I don't know. It's just not it. It's just not it for me. Anyway, this is the Morphe on a Roll, bringing us your childhood to the vanity, colorful and fun. I have a tiger tattoo on my back. I love animals. I like color. But I don't know about this. If you like wearing specific colors, you would probably really enjoy this, but it's not for me. It's really, really not. The palette is $30. I mean, you get quite a bit of shades. Maybe if they were in like smaller palettes with like different animals on them, maybe, but I don't know. I don't see like my childhood when I see this. I just see gifting it to a child and not, I don't know. It's not for me. Let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear it. Very, very colorful. I won't deny that. I mean, it's different. I mean, I'm talking about it. It is very different. Just not for me. Not for right now. Maybe the summer. That may have been a cool time. The summer may have been a cool time to like release that. Like spring, summer with the colors and all that. But not right now. Not for me. Something that was for me that I was very, very, very intrigued by, especially because I've tried one of her lipsticks. This is the Huda Beauty 12 Days of Beauty. Now, I know I talked about the other palette before being a little bit boring. Let's talk about this. I love it. I think this is such a good idea. It's $175. However, you're getting a lot. It's 12 Days of Beauty. They are full-size products, and they are good products. Like, you're getting a palette. You're getting lashes. You're getting lipstick. They are full-size. You're getting a ton of things for $175. And what I have heard is Huda Beauty does have very good quality things. I have a lipstick that I absolutely love. So I think it's worth it, especially for like the advent calendar. If you're counting down and you wanted to get yourself one that isn't just random things and a beauty blender, blotting cloths, mini size eyeshadow brush. Like, it's not like that. This is like, here's good products leading up to the holidays. Like, I think that's how it is. I'm not gonna lie, this is what made me come back on here to talk to you guys about today. This here is a collaboration with Catrice, Essence, and Disney, and I am so excited because I feel like they nailed this collection. Like, I honestly, truly feel like they nailed this collection. Like, they have so many different palettes, so many different characters, so many different products, and I really want to get one, and I may get one. Like, I'm thinking about it. I have thought about it because I love these. So I'm going to talk about each one a little bit briefly, like the palettes, because there are quite a few of them. I have tried the Essence mascara in the past. I love them. I have tried the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder, and I liked it. The only thing is the packaging broke, and it got a little bit annoying for me, and I rather lose powder, so... But anyway, let's talk about the Evil Queen, because the Evil Queen's palette, I feel like they absolutely nailed all of the colors. You look, and look it, you get a cool pattern in there. Wow. So you get a cool pattern in there. You get some shimmers. You get some mattes in there. I really like how they have the apple in there. I think that they did a really good job with this palette for her. The next one is Maleficent. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Maleficent. So this one here, I think that they did a great job. They have so many tones that are her. They have many greens. I love the imprints that they did. They've got some shimmer, again, some mattes. They also have like some like purple tones in there and some blue tones. And the outside packaging reflects the inside. And I feel like if you like the characters and you like Disney, that these you can wear. Like, they're actual shades that you can wear and feel good wearing. And It's not like you're just getting the palette just because of the character. Like, you could actually wear the palette. The next one is Ursula. I love the little shells in there. They have so many glittery shades in there. They have so many purple shades in there. I wish there was just a little bit more of a punch of color, maybe a little bit more purple, just because when I think of her, I think that red hair, like they have that color, but brighter purple. Now they do have a purple in there, so maybe once you start to blend it out, it becomes a little bit lighter, but I wish that they had a little bit brighter of a purple in here. But other than that, I love the shells. Obviously, it's her, the shells. It's a little repetitive. I kind of wish that there was a little bit more purple in there. But let me know what you think. Like, I just think if I were to open up an Ariel palette, I would see red, I would see green, I would see neutrals, but I would also see like a purple. Or maybe like a green, like a real bright green. Snow White. I love this. I see this collection and all I can think of is Storybook. It's on Netflix. Once Upon a Time. I honestly want to rewatch that. I loved that show, and it makes me sad that they stopped it. They did such a great job. But this palette, they did a really good job with the apples. I think that it is great. I love the greens in here. That blue is stunning. I wish I had red. I really, really, really wish they had a red, just to give it a pop, just to give it that type of pop. I feel like a red would have been nice. I feel like the greens are nice. There's nice shimmers in here. I feel like this one, they are a little bit repetitive with the shades as well, rather than the ones previous, like the villains, but they are very, very nice colors. All right, Aurora. I'm going to tell you, I don't know much about her, but just looking at the palette, I feel like she has more of a variety of shades than the other two, and I feel like I would be able to create a little bit more with this palette than the other two. So the Disney palettes I think are really, really great. I would really want to get one. If I seen one at the drugstore, I would probably pick one up because of how much it just excited me. Made me think of Once Upon a Time. Which one I would get, I don't know. I would want to see them in person and truly see if some of the shades are a little bit too similar to others, because I feel like there is a little bit of repetitiveness in there and some are missing a little bit of color for me, but I'd have to see them in person or some swatches or some videos. So let's move on to the next one. This is from Viseart. This says part of the Petites 4 collection from Viseart. This is the lilac one. This is pretty. But I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I could only do so much with this palette. I feel like there's not a dark enough shade, and I understand that it's part of a lilac one, but I just feel like on its own, I wouldn't be able to do as much as I wanted to. But I feel like this one in particular is missing something. That's how I feel. Maybe it's just the picture. Maybe once it's with the other three, I'll see everything more. But this one I just didn't really feel that connection with for myself. This one is the 33 Essentials bundle. It is $75, and let me tell you, this would be a great gift, or this would be a nice way to start your makeup collection or add to your makeup collection or skincare. I feel like this is a great way to go. You get 12 full-size products in here, $75. That's a steal price. Like, if I was at the drugstore and I seen this, I would probably pick it up and keep everything that I wanted to and gift out the rest. That's what I would do, or I would pick it up as a gift for someone because it's a really, really good bundle. You do get some skincare in here, which is really nice because they do make some really good skincare, but it's their makeup that I want to talk about because their makeup I found really interesting. I found that the 2 lip glosses in here, I would keep the lighter one, but I wouldn't keep the red one. It's just myself personally, so that I would gift. The lipsticks in here, I would keep both of them. I think they're really nice shades, especially for this set. The red is the holiday look, and I feel like you can't go wrong with a red lipstick. So if you don't have a red lipstick, this would probably be a nice way to go. And I feel like the nude lipstick is a good nude shade, and I think that they did a good job choosing these two. The next one is the blush and highlight palette. I think it's a nice highlight and blush palette. I feel like it's kind of like your typical highlight and blush, but if this wasn't for you, this would be a really nice palette to gift to someone else, or if you were starting in makeup, these would be really nice colors because I feel like they're not too intense or too bright to start working with, and that's how I see it, or it'd be nice for just everyday light makeup. The only thing that I did want to point out about these was the palettes. The only thing that I would say about them is that they do have some really repetitive shades, and I feel like that if they would have taken those shades out, then they probably would be a lot better and I would jump for it more. But I just feel like the palettes in here are a little bit too repetitive in shades. Like they're too close, they're too similar. They almost dupe themselves in my opinion. And I also feel like for a holiday collection that these palettes are not so much like holiday themed. Like maybe the pink one is more than the blue one, but I just feel like, again, the colors are too close to themselves. They're too similar. Even if I were to keep both palettes, I feel like both palettes have colors in them that are still similar. So that's why I see it more so as getting it and only keeping so many things, more so like all the skincare and a few makeup items and gifting the rest. I seriously regret not buying myself one of those Mickey Mouse hats from Disneyland so bad. That is all I wanted when I went. And my mom kept saying, buy one, go buy one, go buy one. But I kept saying like, no, I can't find the perfect one. And I don't know what I was thinking in my head, what the perfect one was. But it was this. Like this was the hat. This was the hat. So I feel like with this collection, it spoke to me like, you need it, but I know I don't need it. It's the hat I need, not the collection. This is the Spectrums collection. This is the Disney Fantasy collection, inspired by Mickey's iconic sorcerer hat. When I read this, I was like, I want something from this collection. Even the hat, even just the hat. I've never tried anything from this brand. I don't really even know much about this brand. The 12-piece brush set is $89, but the 8-piece brush set is $48. So I feel like in price-wise, it's almost the same price as like some of the Sephora brushes that I've purchased in the past. I would honestly want the 12-piece one just because they are darker and not as light. I've never tried anything from them. If you've ever tried anything, let me know. Last one. This one here is from Milani, and I'm talking about this because as soon as I seen this, I thought that is perfect. Because when it comes to drugstore, a lot of the things are the same. A lot of the packaging is the same. You can normally tell when something's drugstore, just in my opinion. But when I seen this, I thought, that is nice. It's different. I would love to pick it up and feel it. I would love to put it in my purse. I'd love to carry it around with me. And I like it because it is like a lipstick, but a lip balm. And that is what I want during this time. I want something that is quick and easy to put on. Nothing messy, nothing heavy. This comes in 12 shades. It's $8.99. So not right now because I'm trying to work through like my lip products, but I feel like this would definitely be a line that I would check out once I use a couple of lip products. So let me know your thoughts down below about this. I'd be really curious because I haven't seen packaging like this. Like I think I have, but I think that was for mascara. I don't really remember, but yeah. So you guys, that is everything for today. I just wanted to come on and just talk about everything. It felt so good to talk about everything. I've been really wanting to talk about some of that princess stuff and the Huda Beauty thing, and I've just been really wanting to chat with you guys on a few different things. So like last time, anything that you want to talk about, let me know in the comments down below. Any thoughts that you have on any of them, let me know in the comments down below. I really enjoyed going down there and reading what you guys thought about last time. A lot of you really enjoyed the ColourPop launches, and I was so excited for that too. So I'm really excited to see what you guys are thinking about some of these here. Personally, I think that my favorites that stood out to me that are in my head right now would definitely be the ABH, would be the Essence, Catrice, and Disney collab, and the Magic Sorcerer brushes. That's definitely it. So let me know in the comments down below. You can always go find me on my social media. I will be back next week with different videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.